Good morning. I'm going to be reading you a book on how to make slime, and this is by Lori Shores. This is one of the books of how to make something, and we're using the steps to make sure that it's in order. Because if you don't do it in order, then your slime will come out completely wrong. So, this is how to make slime. Getting started. What's runny like glue but also hard like rubber? Slime! It feels like a solid and a liquid at the same time. Here's what you'll need. A dish, food coloring, cornstarch, a spoon, and water. Making slime. Put 1/2 cup in a large dish. Add a few drops of green food coloring. Add 1 cup of cornstarch, a little at a time. Stir and mix well with a spoon. The slime should tear when stirred quickly. If it doesn't tear, add a little more cornstarch, 1 spoonful at a time. Looks like jello. Gently rest your hand on the top of the slime, then quickly slap the surface of the slime. What happens? What happened? Yeah, it was just like hard. Try making a slime ball. Push on it as you roll it in your hands. What happens when you let go? So it becomes a solid, and then when you let go, it starts to melt again. How does it work? Water and cornstarch don't mix completely. The slime is mostly tightly packed bits of cornstarch. The water flows around these bits, just like that. When your hand moves slowly through the slime, the cornstarch moves around. The water flows and the slime seems like a liquid. When you slap the slime, the cornstarch doesn't have time to move. The water can't flow and the slime feels solid. So that's how you make slime. Do you remember some of the things that we need for slime? Let's go back. Okay, we need a dish and food coloring, and then we need cornstarch and a spoon, and of course we need the water. All right, in your writing this week, you are going to be um, writing a how to make slime. Let's see if you can remember. All right, see you later. Bye.